Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 27th to 31st July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday we saw a 0.06% negative move. 1.13699 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's go straight to a weekly chart and let's see what happened during a weekly momentum. So yeah, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good big bullish candle with a big body and a small tiny lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 11.75 level, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So yeah, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, some important support zone and resistance zone we have already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.13699 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.13694. Direct resistance is 1.13921. After direct support, there is a support of 1.13456 and then 1.13158. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.14165 and then 1.14517. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark this level as well on your chart. So here, before I talk about my opinion in Euro USD, if you feel or if you don't have enough capital to trade in Forex market, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. First, you have to buy the challenge account. Once you pass the challenge account, you get the funded account. Once whatever profit you make in the funded account, you get 80% of that profit and 20% the company keeps. So if you're interested in that and if you want to know more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. But if you think these prop firms has very strict rule, or if you feel that these prop firms don't pay you on time or you don't pay you at all, I have already given some videos that I have already got a payout. I have already shared the videos in my YouTube channel, so you can watch that as well. But if you feel this prop firms is very strict rule and you don't want to follow any rules while trading, then you can directly fund your own capital, use your own capital and fund your own Forex account. I have already given link in the description of GTC FX where you can use the GTC FX and you can directly trade in MT5 MetaTrader 5 platform and you can trade using the GTC FX. If you face any issue with GTC FX, you can use my link given in the description. If you use my link given in the description, I will help you with all the issue that you face while depositing, withdrawing or any technical issues. Then I'll help you regarding the same. I have all direct contact with the company. So if you face any issue, do contact me on my WhatsApp number if you use my link. Now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.13921 to 1.14165. I'm expecting a positive move, but here the closing is around direct support. If we see any morning on Monday, we see a gap down opening around 1.13694 below 1.13694, and with if we see a 4-hour candle close below this or a one-day candle close below this, then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Remember that my expectations will be positive in this end, but we have to always look for a candle confirmation with a 4-hour one-day candle closing if you're going for any positional trade. But if you're going for any intraday trade, then always look for a 1 hour or a 15-minute candle closing. 1 hour, first we see a 1 hour candle closing. In the 15-minute we see a confirmation candle and then we trade for the intraday position. Overall, my expectation will be positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.